Let's look at this question. Here they are trying to say is that if a number 2100 is given, then we have to find how many divisors of 2100 exist. Okay, so how do we do that? We will try to firstly figure out what are the prime factors of this. So 2100 can be written as 3 into 7, which is 21, and then 100 can be written as 4 into 25. So 25 into 420. So it can be written as something like 2 square into 3 into 5 square into 7. Okay, so this is what we're talking about. Now let's see. So the number of divisors can be computed like this. So for any divisor, we have to see that what prime factors are available in that divisor or not. So my point is something like this. Let's say we take all of all 2's. So there are 2 2 into 2, there are 2 we take both of the 2's, we take 3, we take both of the 5's, and we take a 7, we take everything, then that is a divisor. What is that divisor? That divisor is the entire number 2100. So 2100 is a divisor of 2100, right? Okay, now the second case is let's don't take any of them. So I will not take anything. So there are 2 2's, I will not take any of them. There is 1 3, I will not take any of them. So essentially 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So essentially one in entire divisor we are talking about is 1, and 1 is also a divisor of 21. My point is that in how many ways we can figure out that in how many ways we can select these prime factors that will give us the number of divisors. That is the entire point of discussion here. Okay, so let's come back to it, that how many total number of ways will be there. See, there are 2 2's. How many ways these 2 2's can be selected? The number of ways is 3. So both 2's can be selected, 1 2 can be selected, or no 2's can be selected, 0 2's. So 0 1 or 2, 3 ways are there. So here there are 2 ways, selecting 3 and not selecting 3. So 0 times selecting and 1 time selecting. So there are 2 ways here. Similarly here 3 ways is there, and here 2 ways is there. You understand, right? Corresponding to each way we are trying to figure out a way of selection of that particular prime factor, and that will result in the number of ways. And using product rule, the total number of ways is equal to total number of divisors. And what will be the total number of divisors? That will be 3 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is basically 36. So the answer is the total number of divisors of 2100 is 36. That is the answer.